Hi everybody, Matthew Peldo here, Senior Category Manager for Chemicals. I got Faizeh behind the camera filming, so thanks Faizeh. So for this week's Walter Wednesday, we wanted to present HANG-ON. So HANG-ON is an adhesive lubricant. High level, what is a lubricant? A lubricant's made to reduce friction when two metal parts touch each other. So for this week, we're going to be looking at hinges. So one of the easiest ways to show lubricant is actually to demonstrate how it's different versus the competition. So we're going to do the HANG-ON last. So the first one we're going to look at is a competitor product. It's an all-purpose lubricant, and we're going to spray it on the first hinge on top. So as I'm spraying, if you can see, it's kind of going everywhere. It's dripping, it's making a bit of a mess. So a lot of the product is actually not going where it's needed to go, on the hinge itself. So when you're applying a general purpose lubricant on these types of surfaces or vertical applications, it doesn't produce the best results. And it's quite messy. Second product we're going to be testing, very common, is a chain and wire lubricant. So we're going to test on the second hinge. And as you can see, even though it's not leaking everywhere, it's a much messier product. It's something that you would want to clean up in most cases, unless you, as it's indicated, using on a chain where you won't really have to deal with these problems. But in most applications around the shop, you would want to clean this up because it is very messy. Now finally, when I talk to the HANG-ON, the star product, this is a really in-between product. So I'm going to apply it on the third hinge over here. As you can see, the jet is a lot more precise, and it will evaporate and leave a lot less of a mess. So really, most of the product ended up on the hinge, a couple went on the side, dripped a bit, and then completely stopped. So this is really a product that there's a lot less waste. You apply it where you want it to be, and it can easily penetrate the hinge for long-lasting lubrication. So that's been this week's Walter Wednesday. Thank you very much.